This is very 72 number part of language part. One person basically asked the question. This is the base basically. On the base of that basically the entire cities are created. So assume that basically 200 cities countries basically are there. In 200 countries basically 150 cities basically are created for birth and for death basically. So one person told that who basically have the exact data of this, because each country basically have their missiles. That means they have the data basically. If they have the missile, they created the missile, that means they have the data. But here one of the person told that in India 200 crore people basically are there. Their birth and that death data, death data basically, that is not connecting to the across the world basically, right? Their birth data and their death data, according to that only basically the missiles are created. The doctors basically of India country basically, the healthcare department basically of the India basically, which is connecting to the across the world basically, who are basically helping India basically, they basically have the, so their data basically in that 150 cities, where is that? That's basically that is the main what to say main important task basically for India country. According to that only basically the entire India is working na basically. Why basically India is working? One person told यार मतलब क्यों, मतलब हम लोग क्यों काम कर रहे हैं? That is for family basically, for next generation basically. For that only basically we are working, and that is connected with the birth and death data basically. So 1% of the in India basically 200 crore people exist. Their next generation is connected with the birth data, and their death data is connected with that death 150 cities. So where is that cities basically? Can anybody basically explain that basically? So one of the person told that that basically is only the nuclear power department only basically might be knowing, who are into the creation of missiles. So next video basically are going to see a little bit more about this topic.